How would you like a brand new microphone for your YouTube channel from Amazon for free?
Did you say free? Nah, no way. Nothing's free, yo.
Free is always the best price tag, right?
But Brad, what if I don't got a YouTube channel?
It is still free.
What about other types of equipment?
Those are free too.
This is too good to be true. I don't believe it.
What is up, everybody? Welcome to Brad J Success. That's me. If you are new or a young content creator, you may not have disposable income to just run out and buy new equipment for your channel, right? Guys, I get it. YouTube may just be a hobby, or maybe you're just trying things out to see how it goes, or you just love anything free like me, right? Lucky for you, I found a way that you can get not only free equipment for your YouTube channel, I'm also talking about a website where you can get tons and tons of free stuff from Amazon after a PayPal rebate. I'm talking about things for your YouTube channel, for your house, for your coworkers, for your friends, for your family, for your garden, for just about anything you can think of. You got to check out this website.
I still don't believe you, Brad.
Nikki, don't worry. I am going to show you step by step on what to do right now. First, visit the link in the description for the website and to register. Let us do a simple search for a microphone and go through the options. Look around, see what there is to offer. Click on each product and see which one you like the most. Once you find the one that you like, go on, click on Request Now. Then, on the confirmation, click Sure. Wait for the seller to respond. While you're waiting for the seller to respond, why don't you go ahead and tap the subscribe button if you like this video. You can view your request by clicking in the Request tab. From here, you can cancel your request or contact the seller with any questions. When the seller approves your return, you can come back here to purchase your item from Amazon or click on the link in the email notification. Upload a screenshot of the order and enter the order number by clicking here so that the seller knows that you've purchased the product. After a week or so of receiving the item, leave your honest and unbiased review on Amazon. Go to messages on the website and let the seller know that you have left your review. Then the seller will refund your money to your PayPal account, which you can then transfer to your bank account or use the PayPal debit card for purchases or ATM withdrawals. Please note that PayPal may deduct a small fee for the transaction depending on the type of PayPal account you have. If you have any issues along the way, the link is at the bottom of the website for support. Then go back to the website and repeat from step 2.
Brad, this really sounds like a lot of work. What can I do instead? I ain't got time.
Well, Nikki, we talked about getting free products, but how about getting free subscribers for your YouTube channel?
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Tap the card on your screen now or look for the link in the description to continue to this video to see how you can get more subscribers for your YouTube channel. Before you head over to the next video, tap the subscribe button and share this video. I love you and stay safe.
But Brad, what if I don't got a YouTube account?